everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a logic in the flow that can distinguish between if somebody is logged in or logged out. So let's take a look. I actually have it here in our community. You can see we have an add new button, but I only want people who are members of the community, already signed in, logged in, to be able to click on it and add a new item. So how did I do it? Let's click on the actions. And we have an if condition here. So it's very simple. We don't have anything here that allows you to do it yet. We will add it in the near future. But for now, what you can do, you add an if condition, and then you say, if user's email, so you go here, you choose email, is empty, that means they are not logged in, right? Because they cannot have an email that is not empty and be logged in. So if it's empty, that's your true path. Okay, so then I take them to the screen. Sorry, if it's empty, that means they're not logged in. I take them to the screen to log in. And if they are, that means false, that means they are already logged in. I take them to the form to add an item. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. You can see that I am right now logged in, so I'm going to make myself logged out like this, and I'm going to click here. You can see it's taking me to log in. Now I'm going to go back to the community, back to the page. Now if I'm logged in, now I'm going to click here. You see, now it's taking me to the form. Thank you.